and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a fairly small haul for you guys. So I've just got some nice bits and bobs from Dollskill and I thought I would share. So I'll start off with the non-clothing items because I really like Dollskill's jewellery. They kind of do, it's just costume jewellery but it's quite fun, I think anyway. So I got this gorgeous kind of butterfly chain. If I come a bit closer you guys can actually see it maybe. So it's just really pretty, and I think with a nice like blue top or something that's going to look really gorgeous. They're just kind of enamelled steel basically, but I thought they were cute. And then I also got, I'm obsessed with these, I've already worn them actually, they're these gorgeous green and gold crocodile earrings. Like, how amazing are they? Like, they're just a proper statement, and with my hair down you just kind of see this glimmer of green and this crocodile like dangling through my hair, and I just think they're so cool. So I'm really happy with these. God, they're really swinging, aren't they? They're just really cute and a bit of fun really. So that's the jewellery. And then I also got quite a lot of like tops and bits and bobs just to wear with jeans, that type of thing, because obviously at the moment there's not really much partying going on with the whole virus situation, so I just want kind of casual looks that I can wear, you know, day to day, going to university, that type of thing. So this is the first one I got. I thought this is just so cute, so easy to wear. It's just this gorgeous kind of crocheted off the shoulder crop top really, and I think with a nice pair of like shorts this is going to look super cute, or even jeans actually. It's just really sweet. So I'll go put it on, but I think it's just that really kind of easy thing to wear, so I'm excited for this one. This is how it fits, and it's just such a kind of feminine, really sweet like summer top. Like, I'm not sure how I feel about all the frills all over it, but the more I look at it the more I think, no, this is a really cute, easy to wear top with like just shorts in the summer. But let me know what you think. But I love the kind of detailing on it. Like, I love this kind of crochet, almost like lace. I don't know what to call it. I think it is it crochet? I don't really know, but it's really sweet. It's really easy to wear. I love the kind of off the shoulder look. I think it's just so cute, and it even looks really nice with like blue jeans, I think. Let me know what you think. I like the style of it and I like everything on it. I'm just not sure if it's like 100% clicking with me. So I'd be intrigued to know what you guys think, but I think it's definitely cute. It's definitely cute, I think. But no, I'm not 100% sure on this one, so let me know what you think. But I think I can definitely work it. But yeah, that's this one. Next thing I got is also a little crop top. This one is this black cherry one. Now, I love anything kind of with cherries on it, and I just thought this is a really lovely shape crop top to wear with jeans, and oh my god, it is so soft. It literally, I just can't get over how soft it is. I don't know what they've done to it, but it almost feels like velvet without the velvet, if that makes sense. It's so soft to touch, and I just think that's such a cute little top to wear with like black jeans. I just really like cherries, and I thought it was kind of pin-up-y as well, so let's see what this one looks like. This is how it fits, and I actually adore this one. Like, it fits gorgeous, and I didn't realise it was a square neckline, and I love the little kind of like lace scallop detailing. It's just such an easy top to wear. I think it's really flattering with a nice necklace, you know, high-waisted black jeans. It's going to be such a cute look, I think. It's just really easy to wear, and it is so soft. So soft, like, I love it. Now, I'm very, very happy with this one, and it's kind of like elasticated at the bottom, so it does come in at the waist, which is quite nice because normally they just kind of like flow, if that makes sense, but they've actually made an effort to make sure it sits to the waist, which is quite sweet. But I mean, I think it's really cute. I think it fits really nicely, and yeah, no, love this one. The next thing I got is a gorgeous halter top. Now, I love my halters, and I've been looking for like a really kind of good quality, basic, black and white halter top, and I only found a black one, but it's such nice quality. The ribbing on this is so thick. It's so lovely. Like, the quality of this just feels amazing, and it's so stretchy. Like, this is just gonna be really comfy to wear. It will go with everything, and I love how a halter looks. I think it's a really flattering shaped top, and I think they're just always in fashion really, so I've been wanting to find a few, so I thought I'd try it in black before I get it in all the colours, because it's quite affordable from Dollskill as well, so let's see what it looks like. This is how it fits, and I've also put in the gorgeous crocodile alligator earrings. I just think they're so gorgeous. Like, for costume earrings, I think they actually look really kind of intriguing. Let me know what you think, but I love them. Like, when my hair's like this, all you see is like these swinging crocodiles, which I'm here for it. I love it. And then this top, I mean, it's just the easiest to wear halter top, and it's so comfortable. Like, this is so stretchy. It's really thick. Like, it's a really nice fabric. Like, I don't know what's special about it, but it's just feels like quality, which is nice. And I think halter tops are just so cute to wear in the kind of summer and all year round, really. I don't know why I said just summer, but I mean, look at that. It's just such an easy fit. Like, I love it. Halter tops are just a yes, always. And I mean, so are these earrings, because we love crazy earrings. So the next top I got from Dollskill is a white one. Now, I thought I would try this it's a bit different, so it's more like a bralette style. So it's not a halter, but I really liked kind of the shape of it. And I thought this, you know, in the summer, it's going to be so nice to throw on. It's that gorgeous, like, stretchy, like, seamless microfiber kind of fabric. And it's got, like, ribbing down it as well. It's just a really simple but like staple piece to a wardrobe, basically. And I've noticed that I've got a lot of clothes, but I'm lacking in kind of the basic things, you know, a nice black tank top and a white one. And I was like, I need to just get myself some really nice quality, nice fitting tops. And hopefully I found that. So let's see what this one fits like. But this is how it fits, and I've got to say, I'm so impressed with it. It literally just hugs my body. It's just really comfortable to wear, and I think it's really flattering as well. I love everything about it. I love where it comes down to. Like, that's the perfect length for a crop top, I think. You know, when I'm wearing my jeans, this is just really nice to wear, and it's so crisp and white. I just love it. And the back of it is gorgeous. I mean, look at that. I just think it's such a pretty back. It's almost like a square back, and I love anything with a square, basically. I like square necklines, square backs, anything really. I like all clothes, basically. But yeah, really like this one. Love the ribbing. It's so stretchy. Like, it's just so nice to wear. Like, it's the perfect basic white tank top, I think, anyway. So no, love this one. I just thought I'd put the necklace on to show you guys, because look how gorgeous these butterflies look on. Like, I think this is such a lovely length for a necklace. I think it looks really cute with this top, but it's just a really easy to wear but really stunning piece. Like, I really like it. I think it's so cute. So the final thing I got from Dollskill is a pair of trousers. Now, I really liked the style of these. They're like half mesh, half velvet lines going down, and they're by like one of the brands within Dollskill, which is Widow, and I just thought these could be really fun to style. So they're almost like flares, and I thought with the like half mesh, half velvet, they're going to be really flattering. So I'm intrigued to see what they look like. They're not as high-waisted as I probably would have liked, but hopefully I can still make them work. But I really like that sort of 50-50 kind of style, and I don't think they're like too mesh. Like, I don't think I'm going to be like showing off everything. I think it will just be kind of intriguing, if that makes sense. But let's just put them on and see what we're dealing with, because it's hard to judge when it's off my body. This is how they fit, and I mean, I really like the fabric. I think they're not too like see-through. They're like the perfect kind of stripe. I just wish they were like a little more high-waisted, because they there's not enough fabric to like go nice at the back. Like, they kind of dip down a little bit. I would just want them like an inch higher at the back, but I think I can work them. Like, I would just love them to be around here so I can wear them with a belt or something and kind of make it look like a jumpsuit or something like that. But I mean, they're really cool, and like, you can see the fabric. Like, I love stripy, and I love that it's kind of half mesh, half velvet. Like, I just think they're really cool. And then obviously they are flares or bell bottoms. I don't know what to call trousers like this, but you can actually see the length of them. So I kind of feel like Morticia Addams from the Addams Family, which I'm here for. Like, I love it. But you can see they kind of sit, they like ride down a little bit, because I think the waist is a little bit big on me, but I mean, they're really cute. I think I can work them. I think styled right, they're cute. And I mean, I love flares. I don't know why, but I just love them. And what's nice is I'm 5'5", and they're a little bit long for me, as you can see, but with a nice pair of heels, they'll look really cute. So they won't be ankle swingers at all. They're actually like nice and full length. So no, I can work with these, I think, but let me know what you think. So that's all I got for you guys today. I really do hope you enjoyed this little haul. Let me know what you thought of the items down below, and I'll be back with more very soon. But if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and yeah, hopefully I'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.